we can see that how we can replace all occurrence in a string. Suppose I have m 3 times, so I want to m all occurrence will replace with another word. So for that we have string value I am, and now we can change in replace. So str with replace all method what do is internally replace all occurrence. So first parameter I want to m replace with ixyz. Suppose its value means m is replaced with xyz, so result should be ixyz and ixyz. So now we can print and check out what is result, it will replace or not. So now run this file and ixyz, it will successfully replace all occurrence in a string with given string. ixyz and ixyz I replace with the I like Java. Now run this file, m is replaced with I like Java, and see it will replace or not. Run this file, I like Java and like Java. So now we can see here replace all method, how it will replace all the occurrence in a string in JavaScript.